Hey everyone, my name's Blair Lewis. I am currently a high school math teacher at Olathe East High School in Olathe, Kansas. I am seeking a degree in educational administration just because I want to keep my options open for the future. I'm not really sure if I want to be like a principal or an athletic director or if I want to become an assistant superintendent someday and maybe continue on in my education journey. I haven't really decided all of that yet, but I want to definitely go into something where I'll have more options of things to do in education. I have two older sisters who are both teachers. They both have their masters in other things. I am the baby of the family, and I kind of chose something a little bit different, but really exciting because I feel like leadership and wanting to be involved in a leadership type role is something that is very important to me. I currently coach. I am the assistant varsity softball coach, and I'm looking to maybe expand that and become a head coach someday or start coaching some other sports as well. This is only my third year teaching, so I'm kind of young. I'm only 23 years old, but I just wanted to get a jump start on my master's, and I thought that this would be a great program for me. Some of my strengths when it comes to education and finance are very small amount of strengths because I don't know a whole lot about how you would even budget for a school or how you would go about just working with that large of an amount of money. And I work in a 6A school, which is the biggest classification we have in Kansas. So I'm not exactly sure how that would work with that large amount of money or that large amount of people and workers and all different types of just anything. Hi, my name's Blair Lewis. I am going on my third year teaching high school math at Olathe East High School in Olathe, Kansas. I graduated from Kansas State, go Wildcats, in 2016. So yeah, I'm just now going on my third year of teaching, and I absolutely love it. I also coach. I'm an assistant softball coach, and I'm also looking to maybe continue that and become head coach someday. Also, maybe coach some other sports, volleyball and basketball, as well. So I am seeking this degree just because I'm thinking it's something that might play to my strengths. I love being in leadership roles. I love any type of communication with peers and trying to just advocate for teachers and be in a position where other people's voices are heard. And I think I am almost not like your typical leader. I am more, hey everyone, this is my introduction video for EDL 854. My name's Blair Lewis, and I am going on my third year of teaching. I teach at Olathe East High School in Olathe, Kansas. I teach Algebra 2 and AP Statistics. I absolutely love it. I am seeking this degree partially because I do teach an AP math course, and as a part of our relationship with Johnson County Community College, you have to have your master's or be working towards your master's in the next few years in order to teach those classes, and I was someone at my school that was willing to do that. I also chose this degree specifically because I think being a leader and being in education is something that I always want to keep as a door or a possibility for me. I absolutely love where I'm at right now. I love what I'm doing right now. I love working with kids. I couldn't see myself doing anything else, but I just wanted to get my master's in something that kept the options open for me in the future if I did want to someday become an athletic director or an assistant superintendent or a principal or any type of leadership position. I just wanted to keep my options open. My background, I graduated from K-State in 2016. I'm fairly young when it comes to the whole teaching world. I have a lot to learn still, and I love learning from others. But I also am really involved in my school. I work with the student council. I'm the sophomore class sponsor. I teach AVID. as well as the AP course in statistics. And then I also am the assistant varsity softball coach, and I'm looking to maybe become a head coach someday, or just expand into other athletics, because I played multiple sports all growing up and all through middle school and high school. And I even got an endorsement in athletic coaching when I was at K-State. So I'm really into sports. Absolutely love just being around kids, leading kids, just being a good influence on them. So I think my strengths kind of play to eventually becoming an administrator someday. Hopefully, we'll see. That's still a ways off for me. My weaknesses when it comes to school finance are pretty much everything. I feel like I am not necessarily in the dark, but kind of don't know how all of that works. I feel like I'm at a huge school. I'm at a 6A high school in Kansas, one of the biggest high schools in Kansas. And just a budget that big and that many teachers and custodial staff and paras, and just there's so many things that I don't know yet, and I don't even know how I would work with a budget that large, and just delegating to clubs and activities and athletics and just band and orchestra, and we have almost anything you could ask for that we offer. We have tons of programs and AP and ACT and College Now, and just tons of money going in and out that I would definitely need to learn a lot about how that works and what the laws are and what I have control of and what other people have control of. There's just a ton that I need to learn. Luckily, I have some great administrators that I think would really help me and teach me, but I'm hoping that I learn a lot from this class. My strengths, I feel like that's a hard question. I think my only strength that I can honestly think of is that I do coach, and so I've had some interaction with the school cards and just ordering things and apparel and uniforms and all that stuff. My head coach is very much a teacher. He loves to teach me how to do those things and how those things work with the tax exempt and all of that stuff, and keeping the receipts and just like where our budget stands. And our budget is connected to the school, not connected to boosters. And I had to learn all the difference between that and how you have to fill out all these forms to get money. So I'm very not well versed at all, but I'm working on it as I go. I'm just really excited to learn from you guys. Some of you have way more experience than I even do in education. And so I've learned so much just from the other classes that I've taken. I'm really excited for this class and happy to meet you guys. See ya.